Let us start exercise 4.2. Now dear student, let us start exercise 4.2. Now as we all know that how to get the value of the variable, either we can use transposition method, that is taking constant value toward any side. While changing the side we have to change the sign also. Now, and the another method is adding. We can do adding, subtraction or division or multiplication of a constant value. Now let us see here. Now here x, first one, give the question says give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now here we have to give the first step to separate the variable, and then we have to solve the equation. Now here x minus 1 equals to 0. Now how to separate this variable? Now first method we can do by, if here negative 1 is there, we have to add positive 1. To add positive 1 toward one side, same value we have to add another side. Now here, just to get it cancelled, that by adding positive 1 to both the side, the negative 1 and positive 1 will get cancelled, and the value of x, that is 0 plus 1, will become 1. Now by another method, see, first write down the question over here, x minus 1 equals to 0. This is the transposition method. In this way, how to separate the variable? Just I will bring this negative 1 from left hand side to right hand side. So while bringing or while transposing the value, negative will become positive. So negative 1 while transposing will become positive 1. That means 0 plus 1 gives 1. That means value of x equals to 1. By both the method we got value 1. It is the required solution. Now to check whether it is correct or not, put the solution, that is x equals to 1, back into the equation. That is, here we got the value of x equals to 1. So this value we have to put back in the equation. That is, in your right hand side the expression is there. Write down x minus 1. Now in place of x you have to put this 1. So substitute the value of x with 1. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And in check the value in your question. What is the value of right hand side? 0 only. And here also we got 0. So write down which is equals to right hand side. That means LHS equals to RHS. Now let us see next one. X plus 1 equals to 0. Now dear student, here we will follow one method only. Now here positive 1 is there. So how to separate this variable? So I will subtract 1 from both the side. So by doing such, positive 1 and negative 1 will get cancelled. Now subtract 1 toward your left hand side also, and subtract 1 toward your right hand side also. So by doing such, positive 1 and negative 1 will get cancelled. So this is how we got the value of x, that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. It is the required solution. Now how to check? Put the solution x equals to minus 1 back into the equation. Now this is your equation. This is your left hand side. The expression is your left hand side. Write down left hand side equals to x plus 1. In place of x, you have to place this value minus 1 and plus 1. The minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, 0, and which is equals to the value toward your right hand side, which is equals to right hand side. Now the next one is x minus 1 equals to 5. Now dear student, x minus 1 equals to 5. Now how to separate this value? Here negative 1 is there. So what I will do, I will add positive 1 toward my left hand side. While adding positive 1 to left hand side, same value you have to add toward your right hand side. By doing such, negative 1 and positive 1 will get cancelled. That means what is left now? X is left. Now here toward your right hand side, 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now here I got the value of x, 6. It is a required solution. Now how to check? Put the solution x equals to 6 back into the equation. Now the expression toward your left hand side, write down x minus 1. In place of x, place 6, the value which we got just now, 6 minus 1, that is 5. And check whether it is there in your question. Yes, it is there. 5 is there. So write down which is equals to RHS. So we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Now next question. Here x plus 6 equals to 2. Now how to separate this variable? Here positive 6 is there, so we can add negative 6, or you can write subtract 6 from both the side. Now what I will write, I had written add negative 6 to both the side, or you can write subtract 6 from both the side, because dear student, whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. So here I am adding negative 6 toward my left hand side, to same value I have to take toward my right hand side. So that here positive 6 and negative 6 will get cancelled. The value of x I will get 2 minus 6 is negative 4. It is the required solution. Now how to check? Now put the solution, that is x equals to negative 4, back into the equation. Now the expression toward your left hand side, and we have to check whether it is equals to the value 2 or not. So write down the value whatever is there in your left hand side, that is x plus 6. So x plus 6, in place of x you have to put minus 4 plus 6. So 6 minus 4 gives 2, which is equals to right hand side, the value which is there in your right hand side. Now next one is y minus 4 equals to minus 7. Now to get rid of it means I have to eliminate this value. Here negative 4 is there, so I have to add positive 4. Now to add positive 4 toward my left hand side, same value I have to take toward my right hand side. So adding 4 to both the side, that is negative 4. See here, negative positive 4 and positive 4, both the side you have to add, but after adding negative 4 and positive 4 will get cancelled. So that means value of y equals to minus 7 plus 4 gives minus 3. It is the required solution. Now how to check? Put the solution y minus 3 back into the equation. LHS, the expression y minus 4, in place of y write down minus 3 and minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 give minus 7. And see whether it is there in your question. Yes, it is there. So write down which is equals to right hand side. Now the next one is y minus 4 equals to 4. Now here minus 4 is there, so I have to add 4 toward my left hand side. Now to add 4 toward your left hand side, same value you have to add in right hand side. So by adding 4 toward both this side, write down over here, add 4 to both this side, negative 4 and positive 4 will get cancelled. So value of y, 4 plus 4 gives 8. It is the required solution. Now check, put the solution y equals to 8 back into the equation. Now the left hand side, we have to see whether it is equals to the value to right hand side. So whatever the value which is expression, that is y minus 4 toward your left hand side, in place of y, that is in place of y you have to substitute the value of y with 8. So in place of y you have to write 8. So 8 minus 4 gives 4, and see whether it is equals to right hand side or not. In your question, yes, we have 4 toward our right hand side. So write down which is equals to right hand side. So we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Now here y plus 4 equals to 4. Now here I have to eliminate this 4. So positive 4, so I have to write subtract 4 from both the side, or you can write add negative 4 to both the side. By doing such, see, we have to subtract 4 from both the side, because to take negative 4 toward your left hand side, same value we have to take toward our right hand side. So by doing such, a positive 4, negative 4 will get cancelled. That means value of y equals to 4 minus 4 is 0. It is the required solution. Now how to check? Put the solution y equals to 0 back into the equation. Now left hand side, write down the expression whatever there in left hand side, y plus 4, and in place of y you have to put this 0. In substitute the value of y 0. 0 plus 4 gives 0. Sorry, 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Now see in the question whether 4 is there toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down right hand which is equals to right hand side. We can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Now next one, y plus 4 equals to minus 4. Now how to get rid of this 4? Means how to eliminate this 4? Here it is positive 4. So I have to put negative 4. By to take negative 4 toward your left hand side, same value I have to take toward your right hand side. So now here positive 4 is that I have to subtract 4 from both these sides. So see here, write down the, y plus 4 as it is, and write down negative 4. While taking negative 4 toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward my right hand side. Here already negative 4 is there. Now this negative 4 and this negative 4 I had taken on toward my both the side. By doing such, positive 4 and negative 4 will get cancelled. Now here what is left? Y equals to minus plus. Minus 4 gives minus 8. So it is a required solution, means value of y is minus 8. Now how to check? We have to check whether our solution is correct or not. Check. Put the solution y equals to minus 8 back into the equation. Now left hand side, write down this expression y plus 4. Now in place of y, you have to put minus 8. Minus 8 and plus 4 gives minus 4, and see whether it is there in the right hand side. Yes, minus 4 is there, so write down equals to right hand side. So LHS equals to RHS, that means our solution is correct. Now same thing we have to now the next question says give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now same question, dear student, but only the condition will change over here. Now here the value is in multiple form with the variable. Previously we whatever sum we did, either the number is in added form or the number is in subtracted form, but here all the value will be either in division form or multiple form. Means the value is in multiple form with the variable. Means 3L. 3 times L means 3 is multiplied with L. Now dear student, whenever it is in multiple form, so say how to eliminate this 3? If it is multiple form, the same value means 3L should be divided by 3 only. Then only 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So while dividing 3L by 3, the same value means the value toward your right hand side, that is 42, also you have to divide by 3. Means whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now here what to do? How to eliminate 3L? So if I divide 3L by 3, so 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So if I divide the value by 3 toward my left hand side, so you have to divide whatever the value toward your right hand side by 3 only. Means whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now dear student, here see 3L divide both the side by 3. Now 3L divide 3 equals to 42 divide by 3. Now so then 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now this is how we separate the value of variable. L equals to now 42 divided by 3 gives 14. Now how to check whether this is required solution is correct or not? Check. Put the solution L equals to 14 back into the equation. Now this is the equation. Whatever the value toward your left hand side, we have to check whether it is equals to the value toward our right hand side. Now left hand side, which is only 3L, 3L in place of L, you have to substitute the value of L with 14. So in place of L, you have to write 14. So 3 14s are 42. And see whether it is there in your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to right hand side. Now dear student, here next one. B upon 2 equals to 6. Now dear student, the variable is in see here the variable is divided by 2. As I told you, if it is in multiple form, we have to divide the value. If it is in division form, we have to multiply the value. Means how to eliminate this 2. So if we multiply 2 over here, then only 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So if I take 2 over here, the same value you have to take toward your right hand side also. So multiply both the side by 2. By doing such, B by 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 6 into 2. Means if I'm multiplying 2 toward my left hand side, same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. Then only that 2 and 2 will get cancelled. That means the value of B equals to 6 or 12. Now how to check whether this solution is correct or not? Check. Put the solution B equals to 12 back into the equation. Now what are the value toward your left hand side? That is B by 2. Now in place of B, write down 12. 12 divides 2. That is 6. And see in the question whether 6 is there toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to right hand side. So that means we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now let us see next sum. Now here 6C. Here also the number is in division form. So obviously I have to multiply same value over here. Whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. So how to eliminate this 7? I have to multiply 7 to both the side. Multiplies both side by 7. So by see here both side, then only 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So here value of P equals to 4 7s are 28. Now check it whether it is correct or not. So put P equals to 28 in the equation. That is LHS P by 7 in place of P. Write down 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And see in the question whether 4 is there toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to right hand side. So we can say LHS equals to RHS. Now the next one. 4 times x equals to 25. Now dear student, here it is in multiple form. As I told you, if it is in multiple form, so you have to divide the value with the same number. How to eliminate this 4? So we have to divide this 4x by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. And if I am taking 4 toward my left hand side, the same value I have to take toward my right hand side. Now divide both the side by 4. See, 4x divide 4 and 25 divide 4. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. The value of x here, it is not possible to reduce. So write down as it is 25 by 4. Then check whether it is correct or not. So put x equals to 25 by 4 in the equation. Now LHS equals to 4x. Now 4 as it is, in place of x you have to write 25 by 4. 25 by 4. 4 and 4 got cancelled. So here only 25 left. See in the question whether 25 is there. Yes, it is there. So equals to RHS. Now the next one. 8 times y equals to 36. Now dear student, how to eliminate this 8y? It is in multiple form. So obviously I have to divide 8y by 8. So if I am dividing 8y by 8, I have to divide 36 by 8. Now by doing such, see, divide both the side by 8. 8y divide 8. 8 and 8 will get cancelled. 36 divide 8, not possible to cancel. So reduce it by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. That means I am getting 9 by 2. So write down 9 by 2. Y equals to, now check whether the solution is correct or not. So check, put y equals to 9 by 2 in the given equation. Now LHS, whatever value toward your left hand side, 8y, 8 times y. Now 8 times y, in place of y, write down 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Now if it is possible to cancel it. Say 2 4s are 8. Now what is left? 4 9s are 4 9s are 36. See in your right hand side in the question whether 36 is there. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. So we can say the solution is correct. LHS equals to RHS. Then next one. Z by 3 equals to 5 by 4. Now dear student, it is in division form. The variable is divided by 3. If it is divided by 3, I have to multiply same value to get these 3 eliminate. If the variable is divided by 3, so I have to multiply the variable by 3. Then only it will get cancelled. So whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now as I told you, multiply, you have to multiply. So multiplying one value toward your left hand side, the same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side also. So multiply both the side by 3. So by doing such, see, multiply 3 both the side multiplied by 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now z equals to, here not possible to cancellation. The 3 5s are 15 and 4 as it is. Now how to check? Let us see whether it is correct or not. Z equals to 15 by 4. Check. Put z equals to 15 by 4 in the given equation. So left hand side, that is z by 3, it is there. So z, value of z is 15 by 4. So write down 15 by 4. Already 3 is there in the denominator. So write down as it is, that is 1 by 3. Now here cancellation is possible. Yes. 3 5s are, or you can multiply 15 1s are 15 and 3 4s are 12 and reduce it by 3. That is 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 5 by 4. And see whether this value 5 by 4 is there in the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. We can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now the next one, that is G. A by 5 and 7 by 15. Now how to eliminate this 5? It is in division form. Variable is divided by 5. So as I told you, if it is in division form, you have to multiply with the same value. Means if here 5 is there, if it is in division form, the same value you have to multiply over here. Then only 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now multiply both the side by 5. See, multiply by 5 and multiply by 5. A by 5 as it is, multiply 5 to it. 7 by 15 as it is, multiply 5 to it. By doing such, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. And here what is left? A. Now here cancellation is possible. 5 3s are 15 and 7 by 3 is the value of A. Now we have to check whether it is correct or not. Check. To check, put A equals to 7 by 3 in the given equation. LHS equals to A by 5. What is the value toward your left hand side? That value you have to take over here. Now A, value of A is 7 by 3. So write down 7 by 3 and 5 is already in the denominator. So write down 1 by 5. 7 1s are 7, 7 5, 3 5s are 15, 7 by 15. And see whether this value there in the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So we can say it is equals to right hand side. Now H. 20 times t equals to minus 10. Now dear student, here it is 20 times t. So it is in multiple form. How to eliminate this 20 means how to cancel this 20. So if 20t, you have to divide with 20 only. Then only 20 and 20 will get cancelled. Whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. See here. So you have to write divide both the side by 20. Then only this 20 will get. So dear student, always you have to remember we are separating the value of variable. Wherever x, a, p, t, you have to separate. And various condition you have to apply. If it is in multiple form, the same value you have to divide. Now see here 20t is 20 times t is there. So with the same value you have to divide. Means if 20 is there, to get this 20 eliminate, I have to divide this 20t by 20 only. If I am taking 20 toward my left hand side, if I am dividing this value by 20, so same way you have to divide this right hand side also by 20 only. Now 20 times t divided by 20, so minus 10 divided by 20. 20 and 20 we get cancel. Your value of t equals to 0, 0 cut, negative 1 by 2. Now check whether it is correct or not. Now put t equals to negative 1 by 2 in the given equation. Now left hand side we have to check whether it is equals to right hand side or not. So write down 20t, whatever value is there toward your left hand side, 20 as it is. In place of t you have to write minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Now here 2 tens are 20 and 10 multiplied by negative 1. 10 multiplied by negative 1 gives negative 10, and see whether it is there in the question. Yes, it is there, negative 10. So write down equals to RHS. Now let us see question number 3rd. Give the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now dear students, same question again and again. Now in first question we did either we have to add or subtract the value from both the side, and in second question we did either multiply or division of a constant value. Now here both condition will come. See here the variable is in multiple form and 2 is also there. Means here in the question number 3rd you have to apply 2 step. In the previous 2 question we used to get the value by doing only 1 step, either multiply, either divide, either addition or either subtraction. Now here you have to apply 2 step. Now dear student, as we all know, to how to eliminate this 3, we have to divide this value. But at first step we can't able to divide. First we have to eliminate this 2. Now in the question given 3n minus 2 equals to 46. We have to eliminate this value, whatever the value it is which is given in subtraction form or addition form. Now here negative 2 is given. Our previous step which we did in our question number first. If negative 2 is given, so we have to add 2 toward our left hand side, then only it will get cancelled. Whatever value we are adding toward our left hand side, same value we have to add toward our right hand side. See here, add 2 to both sides. See here, this 3 times n minus 2 write down as it is, and add positive 2 toward your both the side. By doing such, negative 2 and positive 2 will get cancelled. Now 46 plus 2 gives 48. Now you have to eliminate this 3. It is in multiple form, so we have to divide 3n by 3. Whatever value we are dividing, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Whatever value we are taking toward our left hand side, means whatever the value with what we are dividing, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. So 3n divide 3 equals to 48 divides 3. Divide both sides by 3. By doing such, 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and equals to 48 divide 3 is 16. Now check whether it is correct or not. So put n equals to 16 in the given solution. N equals to, write on this expression, 3 times n minus 2. 3 times n minus 2, value of n is 16. Write on 16 over here, minus 2. 16 is the 48. 48 minus 2 gives 46. And see whether 46 is there in the right hand side. Check in the question. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to right hand side. So LHS equals to RHS. Now the next one. Now it is very clear now, student, what to do. As I told you, now always try to eliminate whatever the value in added or subtraction form. Here positive 7 is given, so you have to take negative 7 to both the side. Now positive 7 is there, so subtract 7 from both the sides, that is 5 times m, write down as it is, 7 as it is, minus 7. Now you have to take minus 7 to both the side, not only one side, you have to subtract 7 from both the side. So positive 7 and negative 7 will get cancelled. 17 minus 7 is 10. So 5 times m equals to 10. Now I have to eliminate this 5. It is in multiple form, so I have to divide. Means whatever value, means with what I am dividing, means here 5m is there, I am dividing this value by 5. So you have to divide whatever the value toward your right hand side, that also with 5 only. Means 5 times So you have to write divide both the side by 5. So 5m divide 5, so 10 divide 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and 10, 5, 2s are 10. So here 2 you are getting, the value of m is 2. Check whether it is correct or not. Check. Put m equals to 2 that we got over here in the given equation. Whatever the value toward your left hand side, write down this expression 5m plus 7 as it is. 5 in place of m, you have to substitute this value. That is, value of m is 2. Write down 2 over here equals to 7. 2 tens are 2 5s are 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 7, sorry, it is plus. So 10 plus 7 equals to 17. So see whether 17 is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Now the next one. 20 times p divides 3. Now dear student, here first you have to eliminate this value which is in division form. So whatever the value, if the number is in division form, to eliminate we have to multiply the same value as I told earlier. Now here if I am multiplying 3 toward my left hand side, same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. So multiply both the side by 3. By doing such, see 20 times p upon 3, multiply 3 to both the side. By doing so, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 20p equals to 43 is 120. Now dear student, I have to separate this variable. It is in multiple form with 20. If it is in multiple form, so same value means 20p should be divided by 20 only. Then only 20 and 20 will get cancelled. So if I am dividing the left hand side by 20, so you have to divide right hand side also by 20. So divide both the side by 20. 20p divide 20, 120 divide 20, 20 and 20 will get cancelled. Value of p equals to 0, 0 cut, 2, 6 are 12, value of p equals to 6. Now check whether it is correct or not. Now put p equals to 6, that whatever we got over here in the given equation. Now write down whatever the value toward your left hand side. Over here 20 times p upon 3, 20 as it is, value of p we got 6. Divide 3, 3 2s are 6 and 2 20s are 40, and see whether it is there in the question. Yes, it is there. So equals to RHS. Write down LHS equals to RHS. Now next one. 3 times p divided by 10 equals to 6. Now dear student, if it first we have to eliminate this value, then only we can eliminate 3 times p. So if it is in division form, so I have to multiply 10 toward my left hand side. Whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. So write down multiply both the side by 10. By doing so, see here 3 times p upon 10 as it is, multiply 10 to both the side. By doing so, 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Then here 3 times p left, 6 times are 60 left. Now you have to eliminate this 3. It is 3 times p. So 3 times p should be divided by 3 only. Then only 3 and 3 will get cancelled. If I am dividing the value by 3 toward my left hand side, so you have to divide the value toward your right hand side by 3 only. So here 3 times p divided by 3, write down divide both the side by 3. So by doing so, 3 times p divide 3 and 60 divide 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Value of p equals to 60 divide 3 gives 20. Now check whether it is correct or not. Put p equals to 20 in the given equation. LHS 3 times p upon 10, and value of p is how much? 20. So in place of p, write down 20. So 3 multiplied by 20 divided by 10. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 3s are 6. And see whether this value it is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there toward right hand side. So we can write it is equals to RHS. So we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. Now let us start question number 4. Solve the following equation. Now 10 times p equals to 100. Now dear student, as I told you, if the variable is in multiple form, means 10 times p, how to eliminate 10? So if it is in multiple form, means 10 times p should be divided by 10 only, so that 10 will get cancelled. So whatever value I am dividing, means if the left hand side I am dividing by 10, so you have to divide right hand side by 10 only. Now divide both the sides by 10. By doing so, 10 times p divides 10 equals to 100 times 100 divided by 10, 0 0 get cancelled. Here 10 and 10 will get cancelled. That means value of p equals to 10. Now check whether the solution is correct or not. Put p equals to 10 in the given equation. LHS equals to 10 times p. 10 times p, value of p is 10 only. So in place of p, write down 10. Write down, substitute the value of p with 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Now see whether 100 is there toward your right hand side or not in the question? Yes, 100 is there. So we write down equals to RHS. That means we can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now the next one. 10 times P plus 10 equals to 100. Now dear student, here we can't eliminate this 10 times P. We have to eliminate this 10 first. If it is positive 10 is there, so take negative 10 both the side. Means subtract 10 from both the side, or you can write add negative 10 to both the side. By doing such, see, subtract 10 from both the side. By doing such, we have to subtract 10 from both the side. Minus 10, write down 10 times P plus 10 as it is. Subtract 10 from both the side, here also and here also. By doing such, positive 10 and negative 10 will get cancelled. So what is left now? 10 times P. Now here 100 minus 10 is 90. Now you have to, after doing such, you have to eliminate this 10 times P. So how to eliminate 10 times P? Now it is in multiple form. So as I told you, if it is in multiple form, so same value you have to divide the value with the same number to get this 10 eliminate. So 10 times P should be divided by 10. If I am dividing the value toward my left hand side by 10, so you have to divide the value toward your right hand side by 10 only. So divide both the side by 10. So 10 times P divides 10. 90 divides 10. Now 10 and 10 will get cancelled. So what is left now? P. Now 0 and 0 cancel. So what is left now? 9. The value of P is 9. Now check whether it is correct or not. So put value of P that is equals to 9 in the given equation. In this equation you have to put. Means we have to see whether the value toward your left hand side is equal to value toward your right hand side or not. Now write down this expression over here, that is left hand side equals to 10 times P equals to 10. Now in place of P you have to write this 9, means substitute the value of P, that is 9. 10 times 9 equals to 90 plus 10 as it is. 90 plus 10 equals to 100. So and see whether 100 is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. Now see the next one. P divided by 4 equals to 5. Now here only it will get complete in one step. Here it is the variable is divided by 4. The same value we have to multiply over here. Whatever value we are multiplying toward our left hand side, same value you have to multiply toward your right hand side. Now if I multiply 4 toward my left hand side, so you have to multiply 4 toward your right hand side. Write down multiply 4 on both the side. Now by doing such, 4 and 4 will get cancelled. See here I had multiplied 4 toward both the side. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Value of P equals to 5 4s are 20. Now check whether it is correct or not. Put. Now here you have to write put P equals to 20. P equals to 20 in the given equation. Now left hand side, write down the expression in left of right hand side, P upon 4. Now value of P is 20, write down substitute the value of P by 20, that is in place of P write down 20. 20 divides 4, 4 5s are 20. Here you are getting 5. See in the question whether it is 5 there or not in the right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. We can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now let us move to a next sum, that is D1. Minus P divide 3 equals to 5. Now here how to eliminate this 3? It is in division form. So you have to multiply 3 to both the side. Multiply 3 on both the side. By doing such, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Multiply it, that will 15 you will get. Now variable cannot be negative. So what I will do? So I will multiply negative 1 to both the side. So if I by doing such negative 1, try to make it positive. So negative P multiplied by negative 1 will become positive P. Negative 15 into negative 1. Sorry, it is a positive 15. Positive 15 multiplied by negative 1, so will become negative 15. Now here value of P I am getting negative 15. Now check P equals to negative 15. Put P equals to negative 15 in the given equation. Write down the value of left hand side over here, minus P upon 3. Now value of P I got minus 15. So write down this sign as it is. Now value of P, write down, try to write in bracket because the value is in negative. So negative 15 in bracket, divide 3 as it is. Negative and negative will become positive. So positive 15 divided by 3 gives 5. Now see whether 5 is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. Now the next one is here variable is multiplied by 3 and divided by 4. Now either you multiply 4 toward both the side, or you can divide 3 on both the side. So first we will do with multiplication. So if I will multiply 4 to both the side, So multiply 4 to both the side. See here, I had multiplied 4 to both the side. To get this value of 4, eliminate. I have to get rid of this 4 first. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So what is left? 3 times p. 6 4 are 24. Now I have to get rid of this 3. I have to eliminate this 3. It is in multiple form. I have to divide this 3 times p by 3 only. So you have to divide 24 also by 3. So divide both the side by 3. So 3 times p by divided by 3. So 24 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. P equals to 3. 8 are 24. Now check. Put p equals to 8 in the given equation. LHS equals to 3 times p upon 4. Write down this value you have to write over here. Now in place of p you have to write this 8. Eliminate the value of p, that is 8. 3 into 8 divide 4. 4 2s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. And see whether this value 6 is there toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. Now let us see the next one. F equals to 3 times s equals to minus 9. Now I have to it is in multiple form, so same value I have to divide by 3. So 3 times s divided by 3, so minus 9 divided by 3. So 3 and see, divide both the side by 3. So 3 times s divided by 3 and minus 9 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Value of s equals to 9. Negative 9 divided by 3 gives negative 3 only. Now here the value of variable is minus 3. Now check. Put s equals to minus 3 in the given equation. Now write down this 3 times s, that is left hand side equals to 3 times s. 3 into value of s, substitute the value of s with negative 3. So negative 3. So 3 3s are 9. Positive into negative, negative, and see whether it is there. This value it is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there, negative 3. So write down equals to RHS. We can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now next one. Sum number G. Now 3 times s plus 12 equals to 0. Now here we can't eliminate this value. We have to eliminate this value first. Here positive 12 is there, so we have to take negative 12. So write down subtract negative 12 from both the side, not only one side. As I told you, whatever value you are taking toward any side, you have to take same value toward another side also. So here you have to take 12, negative 12 toward your both the side. So by doing such, write down 3 times s plus positive 12, and to get this 12 eliminate, so you have to take negative 12 toward both this side. By doing such, positive and negative will get cancelled. So here 3 times s left, and 0 minus 12 is minus 12 only. Now you have to eliminate this 3 times s. So how to get eliminate this 3 times s? So it is in multiple form. So same value you have to means 3 times s should be divided by 3 only. So if you are dividing the value by 3 toward your left hand side, so you have to divide the value of your right hand side by 3 only. So divide both the side by 3. By doing so, 3 times s divided by 3 and negative 12 divided by 3. So by doing such, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. That means 3 4s are 12, negative 4 you are getting. Now check. Put s equals to negative 4 in the given equation. Write down the value of expression of whatever the value toward your left hand side. Now left hand side equals to 3 times s plus 12 is there. Now in place of s, write down this negative 4. Substitute the value of s by negative 4. 3 4s are 12, negative 12, and 12 as it is. Minus 12 plus 12 will get cancelled, and 0 you will get. Now see whether it is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. We can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now next one is 3 times s equals to 0. Now dear student, here it's very simple. Directly it is in multiple form. So same value you have to divide by 3. Means the value, whatever the value toward your left hand side, you have to divide it by 3. Then only 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So whatever, if you are dividing the value of left hand side by 3, so you have to divide the value of right hand side by 3 only. Divide both the side by 3. So 3 times s divided by 3 and 0 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. S equals to 0 divided 3 gives 0 only. Now put s equals to 0 in the given equation. LHS 3 times s. 3 times s, and in place of s you have to write 0. 3 zeros are 0, and see whether the 0 is there in the right hand side in the question. Yes, it is there. So write down equals to RHS. We can say that LHS equals to RHS. Now 2 times q equals to 6. Now it is in multiple form. Same. Now this value 2 times q you have to divide it by 2 only, and 6 divided by 2. Write down divide both the side by 2. So that by doing such 2 times q divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and value of q I am got 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Value of q I got 3. Now check. Q equals to, now here dear student, in place of q you have to write 3. So write down in place of q, put q equals to 3 in the given equation. LHS equals to 2 times q, and in place of q write down this value 3. So 2 3s are 6, and see whether it is there in the question toward your right hand side. Yes, it is there, 6. So write down equals to RHS. Now let us move toward next sum. 2 times q minus 6 equals to 0. Now dear student, here also we can't able to eliminate this value first. We have to eliminate this negative 6 first. Now it is negative 6, so I have to take positive 6 toward my left hand side. If I am taking positive 6 toward my left hand side, so same value you have to take toward your right hand side also. So add 6 to both the side. Now 2 times q minus 6 as it is, positive 6 toward your left hand side and positive 6 toward your right hand side. You have to add positive 6 to both the side. Now after doing such, positive 6 and negative 6 will get cancelled. So 2 times q equals to 0 plus 6, 6. Now you have to eliminate this 2. So divide both the side by 2. So 2 times q divide 2, 6 divide 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Q equals to 2 3s are 6. Now you have to check. Put q equals to 3 in the given equation. Write on the expression of left hand side 2 times q minus 6. And we have to see whether you are getting 0 or not. So in place of q, you have to write down q. 2 3s are 6 and 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Yes, we got the value 0. So write down equals to RHS. Now the next one is 2 times q plus 6 equals to 0. Now here positive 6 is there. So to eliminate this, eliminate means what? We have to cancel this. So to cancel this positive 6, I have to take negative 6 toward my left hand side. So whatever value you are taking toward your left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. Now negative 6 means either you can write add negative 6 to both the side, or you can write subtract 6 from both the side. Now by doing such, see, subtract 6 from both the side. By doing such, 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So 2q equals to 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Now you have to eliminate this 2. So divide both the side by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 6 divided 2 is minus 3. So q equals to minus 3. Now you have to check whether it is correct or not. So put q equals to minus 3 in the given equation. Write on this expression of left hand side and you have to see whether you are getting 0 or not. So 2q plus 6. So in place of q, you have to write negative 3. So write down negative 3. So 2 3s are 6. That is positive into negative, negative 6. Negative 6 plus positive 6 gives 0. Yes, we got 0. So write down equals to RHS. Now the last sum, that is 2 times q plus 6 equals to 12. Now first you have to eliminate this value. So if it is plus 6, so I have to take negative 6 both the side. So subtract 6 from both the side. Subtract 6 from both the side. Negative 6 I had taken. So that positive 6 and negative 6 will get cancelled. And 2 times q equals to 12 minus 6 gives 6. Now you have to eliminate this value 2. So to divide 2 divide both the side by 2. So 2q upon 2 and 6 divide 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. That is value of q. You are getting 2 3s are 6. So now you have to check whether it is correct or not. So put q equals to 3 in the given equation. Write on the expression of left hand side and see whether you are getting 12 or not. So 2 in q plus 6. Value of q is 3. So put 3 in place of q. Substitute the value of q, that is 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 6 gives 12. Yes, we got the value 12. Which is there in the right hand side of the equation, equals to RHS. So we can say that LHS equals to RHS.